What is up, guys? It is Zach Plochet, and in this video I'm going to show you what I've been doing today on Reflector. So currently, as the project stands, actually if we go to the real website, reflectorai.app, currently the site is built with Django, which is a Python web framework to build websites. The reason I'm pointing that out, and to the non-techie people, is because with something like Django, which is not a very modern front-end framework, the pages themselves and the actions you take, they take a bit longer than if you were. So what I mean by that is, look at this. If I click login here, 1, 2, okay, yeah. So it took about a second for the page to actually load. If I click register, roughly the same. I'm going to try to log in. So I'm going to log in here. Right, so every pretty much page I go to or every action I take is going to take some level of time to do something. So even if I click like start on this activity, it's still going to take a second to actually load everything. Whereas on a front-end framework like I have here, while it does look exactly the same, except I did update the form to be a bit prettier, because this is what it looked like on the first version of the website. Which I actually have right here. So this is the first version of Reflector. It is, in my opinion, the most beautiful out of all of them, and it uses nice icons, and you can see the login and register. It's really pretty, and I want it to be pretty much similar to what it was in its former glory, but the only difference is that this thing does not work. So that's kind of a problem. Right, so in order to sort of remedy that, I am now with modern tools using Cursor to help me build a lot of this. Of course, I do have to manually code because Cursor, while it is smart, doesn't know how to fix everything. And that is where vibe coding goes very, very not great. So, with that said, let me show you a few more things. So I'm adding this. Currently, this does work. And you can just see how pretty much fast it goes. So whenever you go from page to page, it is very instant. There's still some styling I need to work on, but that is in process. Currently, I only have this daily reflection piece done, but the main website is still up currently. So, that was here. So all of the features there are still here, and they're going to be for until I build the proper front-end version. And then everything will be a lot faster and not as clunky. Like this, yeah, that's just sad. It should be instant, and all of these pictures should not just disappear like they are. So, yeah, quite a few things to sort out. And, yep. Honestly, that's pretty much it. So, yesterday I kind of failed at doing this, but today I am going a lot stronger. And yeah, making the site a lot prettier than it was. So look at that sign up form. It's got the font, it's got the nice Aberretto action going on. Aberretto system UI from just straight up Tailwind. Yeah, it is considerably faster, and it is still improving. I will fix some of the design stuff, but that's after I just migrate everything over. Also, I might make this a little less loud just to make it more of a subtle design situation. What it does have already is the nice little smooth animations when you hover over the boxes, which I think is really nice. And I want everything to be subtle, just calming, relaxing, whether it's a fireplace background or a forest, or I don't know, fireplace with a cigar and whiskey. Or, I don't know, maybe like, what else is cool? Whatever background, like, I'll come up with more backgrounds to add. Maybe even add custom options for paid users. Not really sure yet, but it's all in the plans. So, AI features are not today. I thought they were, but they're not. I want to build this into the best app ever, and I'm giving myself roughly about 2 weeks at this point to really just hustle and build something that I love using. So, one of those, or I guess the first step that I want to do is get it on front end, get everything really nice there, and make Reflector great again. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed that little preview of what is to come. I think it will be a very huge improvement, even though, you know, I'm like, there's no one really knows about this app. So maybe one day, I know I definitely use the shit out of it though, so I just need to get better at explaining how to use it and the value, and actually add the AI features that I've been waiting for. But that's for another day. So thank you for watching. It is late here, 11:56. I'm tired. I'm Zach. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Boop. I'm not editing this, by the way.